Philadelphia in an urban environment, we have many food trucks lining the streets that intersect with our campus. They're an alternative to our dining halls and offer a variety of options. Whether you're vegan, kosher, or just hungry, there's something for you.
This is my favorite food truck here at Temple University. It's called the Mexican Grill Stand, and I get tacos for only $2. When I'm not feeling tacos, I can get a burrito for $6 or a quesadilla for $6.
One of my favorite places to eat on campus is at a food truck, and most of them are the halal food trucks. This is one of my favorite trucks by far. I normally order a chicken over a rice platter, and in addition, I get a free drink as well, which is really good when you're on a budget.
The great thing about food trucks is that when I'm late for class, I'm able just to go to a smoothie truck, order something that's cheap, delicious, and bring it right to class.
This is one of my favorite spots on Temple. It's called Burger Tank. They have a lot of good burgers here, but if you're not feeling a burger, you can also get a salad or a milk.
These are just a few of the food trucks that Temple has to offer. We also have trucks featuring burgers, Korean food, and even crepes. But you're going to have to come down to Temple to check it out for yourself.